My tested and proven weight loss secret. 30 days stomach and weight loss hacks. Technique number 1. A weeks 1 and 2. 1 Mother Bragg's apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon. 2 lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. 3 Arm & Hammer baking soda, 1 teaspoon. B weeks 3 and 4. 1 Mother Bragg's apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon. 2 lemon juice, 1 teaspoon. 3 Add another fruit/s of your choice, 1 teaspoon. A. Strawberries. B. Green juice equals kale, spinach, cucumber, celery, dandelion, yellow dock. Enjoy in an 8 to 12 ounces glass consumed in the early morning. Mother Bragg's apple cider may kill harmful bacteria. Helps lower blood pressure and manage your diabetes. Aids in weight loss. Lemon juice. Packed with vitamin C, B6, calcium, potassium, and copper. Low in saturated fat. Low in cholesterol and sodium. Good source of thiamin, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, iron, and magnesium. Good source of dietary fiber. Arm & Hammer. According to WebMD, baking soda is great for a number of things, from household use and food preparation to multiple health benefits. However, it is not recommended to use baking soda for any long period of time. It may prove to be harmful after consistent long-term uses. Technique number 2. Drink moringa juice 2 to 3 times daily. 8-10 ounces each time. Prepare the juice of the leaf by the gallon and refrigerate for consistent consumption. Drink for the next 30 days, combined with the other technique or alone. According to WebMD, moringa has many important vitamins and minerals. The leaves have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas. It also has calcium, protein, iron, and amino acids, which help your body heal and build muscle. It's also packed with antioxidants, substances that can protect cells from damage and may boost your immune system. There's some evidence that some of these antioxidants can also lower blood pressure and reduce fat in the blood and body. Technique number 3. 1 small jar of Vicks Vapor Rub. 1 roll of Saran Wrap. A. Apply to the stomach, sides, and back areas above the pelvic and below the breasts. B. Wrap the part of your body mentioned above tightly and completely. C. Add a full back and stomach brace. D. Sleeping with this on overnight may provide the best results. Technique number 4. In addition to applying techniques 1 and 2 while applying number 3, dress in a weight-loose plastic jump/full suit and sit in a hot temperature for a short time. This also calls for water consumption based on how long you stay in reduction state and how strong your immune system is. Number 5. Taking bladder rack and sea moss daily is strongly recommended while on this 30-day journey. Bladder rack and sea moss provides the following. A. Iron. B. Removes impurities from the body. C. Supports the central nervous system. D. Helps with clarity in thinking. Number 6. For healthy immune system support, consume the following by tea or capsule. 1 mullein. Supports the respiratory system. 2 chickweed. Supports the lymphatic system. 3 burdock. Supports the immune system. Number 7. Consume an alkaline plant-based diet promoting more greens. A. Vegetables, berries, fruits and nuts. B- all non-blood type foods. C- all acidic foods. D. Add more electric foods. E. Live a healthier lifestyle. This information is for informational purposes only and is not meant to be taken as a cure or treatment.